Why do 98% of cats water when it's for fish? Watch Mama Cat show her kittens the wildest pond adventure ever. Ready? Let's go. Toad 04 0 to 15. On screen. Text. To the pond. Cat. Mama. Cat leads 3 bouncy kittens through tall grass. Kittens trip, but Mama purrs them forward. Sparkling water ahead. Tiny paws, big dreams. 0, 16, 0, 30. On screen, text. Can Mama catch the big fish? Mama dives in, water sprays everywhere. She pops up, fish in mouth, kittens. Close-ups, glistening fish, wide kitten eyes, twitchy whiskers. 031, 045. On-screen text. Roast time. Mama Cat sets up a little fire. Fish on sticks. Smoky curls, golden fish. Kittens bounce, tails up. 046, 0 to 55. On-screen text. Family feast. Cats nibble roasted fish, happy purrs, tails wagging. Close-ups crunchy bites, silly kitten faces, glowy warmth. 056, 1, 0. On-screen text. Follow for more adventures. Cat winks, tail flicks, paw swipes. Subscribe button pops.